Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Yes, I'm in a new car. Well, not new. New used car. My truck died. Anyway, so Rebel Canners, watch lots of videos so I can pay for this new used car. Anyway, today we're making apple pie filling. And I love apple pie filling, especially going into the summer. I make a lot of apple pie filling for summer cobblers, for apple pies, and just for camping pies in the little camp irons. So let's get into the recipe. It is so delicious. And this made 14 quarts. My face in it.
Okay. This way?
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Peel 12 quarts of apples and core them, saving the peels and the cores for vinegar. Those are all going in for apple cider vinegar. All the peels and the cores. Apples go there. These things are so handy.
They are.
All the years I did them by hand. Nothing goes to waste. Won't make a very good video.
What's that?
Huh? This one broke.
No.
What the heck? There.
It moved on you.
It did. That moved up right there. Moved on me.
There it goes. Let me get something to tighten it.
And after this apple, yes. First two went through perfect.
Just worked loose enough. 12 cups of sugar.
12 cups of sugar.
2 1/4 cups of clear gel.
2 1/4 of the clear gel.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Only one?
You know, I like nutmeg, so I'm willing to put more. You want more?
I think we need more.
I love nutmeg.
Let's measure with our heart.
2.
2 it is. Nutmeg has always been one of my favorites.
That's a half, so I gotta do 4 of these.
And four of those to make 2 teaspoons.
Yeah, I can't imagine wanting to do anything.
No, that would not be enough. Nutmeg on the list.
It smells so good. I love nutmeg.
Well, I was surprised when it
Then
was
it's
in the
got-
Alfredo sauce,
I was too.
but it really did make it.
It's okay. Yeah. All right, it says 1 tablespoon. No, wait, 4. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. 4 teaspoons. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon plus a teaspoon.
Okay.
And if you want more, I can do more. I can do 2 tablespoons.
We could.
I'm thinking.
That's fine.
I'm thinking
I like it spicy. I like it spicy.
Well, the last time I did it, we didn't have a lot, and I already had thought I think I'd like to do more. All right,
So 2 tablespoons it is.
it's driving me crazy. Take it apart. Take it apart. Come on, I'm here to get you. Two teaspoons.
So 1 tablespoon it is.
You want extra? I don't mind. Ain't gonna hurt. I'm good with that.
5 quarts of water. 2, 3, 4, and 5. For a total of 5 quarts of water. All right, that immersion blender did wonders for getting that out of there. Very few lumpy bumpies now. Most of those will clear up once it gets heated up enough. So, our 99-cent 5 bags of apples made probably 24 cups of apples. We're going to use 12 in this recipe, and we're probably going to have to make a second batch.
Go ahead.
6 tablespoons of lemon juice. 12 cups of apples.
No, 12 quarts.
12 quarts. Oh my gosh, quarts.
You're taking math after me.
Yes. This is what happens when we can in the middle of the night. Then we have to let it boil for 1 minute. It might take a minute for it to come back up to a boil. Then we can fill our quart jars.
Sense to me.
And you're using the wide mouth with the superb lids.
Oh, look, I got a chunk.
That apple chunk.
Got a chunk.
It'll work better. You have to put the lid on so I can't watch it.
It smells even better. Holy moly. The bubble, Papa.
The bubble bubble.
Hey.
Hate it when it starts to warm up outside.
Of course, they're waking up around the basement, too, where they're hidden. In the candy kitchen. Guess what, that thing?
Probably put just a little scoop, but that's good. Because it tends to bubble up so much in the canner.
Okay.
Clean up on aisle 1.
Spray for the floor. I love having a cement floor to work on for this reason that I can clean it good.
Yeah.
Pretty floor, but I'm okay with that. Ah, get out of there.
We aren't water bathing them. They are covered with water. It's hard to see in there. We got the lid on. So we're going to water bath for 25 minutes. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.